What's up, you guys? My name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today we're back again with the Cadillac, my $500 project car that I'm trying to drive as a daily. But there's certain things that I want to take care of, replace and repair before I feel comfortable driving it every day. But bear with me, you guys. I will be posting some Jaguar and Grand Marquis content next. So I've been having some starting issues with this Cadillac and I already fixed that problem. I replaced the starter. Next thing that I want to replace is the belt tensioner because it makes a really loud whining noise and it's so annoying. It almost sounds like I'm cruising around with my girlfriend right next to me, and I just can't be having that. And a lot of people be looking at the car like, ugh, bro, shut that car off. Like, fix it already. It sounds nasty. And instead of that, I want people to look at it and be like, hey, that's a decent looking Cadillac. It's a cool little bucket as a daily. So I figure replacing the belt tensioner shouldn't be too bad. It'll be something simple. Well, replacing it is, but finding the correct part is hard. It's hard. I've gone to every pause when I said hard. I've gone to every local auto parts store and it seems like they all sell the same tensioner, which is the incorrect size. The OEM is like this two-piece spring tensioner with a metal pulley. So the tensioner they sell you in stores is about like this length right here. So what happens with it is that it gets closer to the engine and the belt doesn't align correctly. It sticks out just a little bit. So when you start driving, it'll slip off. And I should know because this happened to me. Yes, this happened to me twice. I should have learned the first time. And yeah, I could have recorded to show you guys, but all I'm thinking about is getting the car back home. I don't want it to break down. I'm not gonna stop and be like, ooh, content, let me record this. Fuck that. I can't afford breaking down the project. At least not yet. I'm not in that YouTube level yet. Then I joined a Cadillac enthusiast Facebook page and I asked if anybody was going through the same issue or knows where I could purchase the OEM tensioner. A few likes, and some guy was like, try Rock Auto. You don't think I did? You don't think I did my own research? That's why I'm in here. I thought you guys knew something that I didn't. And I stumbled upon this YouTube video of a guy replacing the tensioner, and that's when he mentioned that this tensioner is actually discontinued. An American car part discontinued? Come on, bruh.
You can't really find that factory belt tensioner no more because they don't make it. But anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a part number for it.
He gives out this part number, but I still wasn't able to find anything with that part number. Decided to go to the pick and pull. I found the tensioner there. It sounded worse than the one that I had. No fucking luck. But then there's a second Cadillac there, and luckily that tensioner wasn't making any noise. You hear that? You hear that? Nothing. Alright, at least I can use that tensioner. I was so excited. I was like, you know what? I'm even gonna pay for it. It's only gonna be like 25 bucks. More like $62. They really took me for $62. I should have pocketed that shit. I mean, I should have accidentally forgotten that I put it in my pocket. To relieve the tension on the belt, use a 1/2-inch ratchet and rotate the tensioner clockwise. Remove one 18mm nut. Install the new belt around the pulleys. Here's a belt diagram. You can pause the video. I come back and I install it, and it still makes noise. Not as much, but it still makes noise, and I'm so bummed out. So I thought, you know what? Let me just spray some lubrication and see what happens. And that fixed it. Okay, it didn't really fix it. It temporarily fixed it. So I guess I'm finna be spraying some lubrication on that tensioner pulley once in a while. But check this out. No more noise. Alright, if y'all found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you personally want to support this channel, there's a donation link in the video description. All donations will be used for tools, parts, and video equipment to make more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.